What do you think, Quinn? You're holding the baby sister?
Hold the baby sister. I'm gonna kiss it. Him.
Yeah, she got a kiss from you?
No. Him.
Oh, on her hand?
Kiss him. Nice.
Yeah. She is nice.
His, our side.
Other side?
Yeah.
Oh, because you want to see the picture?
Yeah.
I'll show you afterwards.
Okay. Is there worse?
Whoa, keep your finger out of it, please. Because then I just see a big giant finger. Okay, I'm going to turn it off now. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.